Hi guys, I'm back with my buddy Federico.
Ciao!
This is a little bit different today because it's an apartment, so I'm really curious to see. Literally faces Fivizzano, so you can walk into town in a really cute neighborhood. So I guess we'll go in and have a peek. Come on with me.
Andiamo.
Okay, andiamo. Come on, Federico.
Come on!
I love it when Federico goes, come on. All right.
Tante tipologie di piante.
Oh, now we're a landscape architect too. I love it. Okay, yes, they're very beautiful. You know, it's a cute little entryway. Actually, I like this kind of thing because it's a lock and leave. So if you're thinking about buying something simple in Fivizzano, simple maintenance, this is great. You lock it, you leave it. Okay, so it's the living room, obviously. It's a modern space. You know, it has a little fireplace. It's very cute. Oh, there's another little terrace out here, which is really very cool. The owners are here, so I'm always a little more guarded with what I say. Yeah, it has a lot of furniture. So if you can imagine just this clean space, it's an interesting layout because it is not a square room, which I find very challenging to furnish always. There's a kitchen here. Personally, I would, you know, just rip everything out of here, but oh, there's this little pantry room. This is cool, like a little laundry room, garbage room. That's kind of cool. I think this is probably something you would consider because of location. I'm gonna say it's very retro. So if this is your vibe, then go for it. I probably would, this would just, what we call a gut job. This would be that. Okay, so the kitchen is next door. All right. I think what I would do, there's this fireplace here. It's not that fabulous. I think I would take this out and you could make this really cool open kitchen with a living room here. That's what I would do. You're welcome. That mirror is very cute. I like it.
Bagno.
And then they also have marked it, which I think is, you know, really important. It's a nice sized bathroom, actually. Very nice.
Poi si scende al piano
wow,
inferiore.
This is actually just goes on and on and on. This is a very big apartment. Bedroom.
Allora, bedroom.
Bedroom. So 3 bedrooms today?
3 bedroom.
You know, it's always a surprise going with him. I never get any information. I literally always feel like I'm being kidnapped and taken to a location, and then I have to figure out what the hell's going on. Even in his listing, it's really hard to kind of figure out what's going on. You just have to leap of faith, people. Anyway, I would make this a master suite. I don't know that I would make this 3 bedrooms. Maybe 2 bedrooms? There's a lot of space back here, so there's a lot of...
camera.
I can't stress enough, I would just rip everything out of here. Like, this is a move-in ready, so you can move in here. You can live here. It has everything you need. And then you can kind of assess, like, what you want to do with the space. It has a lot of sunlight, so it's a very happy space, which is nice. Sometimes in an apartment, if it's dark during the summertime and you don't have a pool and stuff, it just feels like very sad, you know, like depressing. But this is very not depressing. This is really nice. These are really big rooms. So I think I would convert it maybe into 2 bedrooms. Now I'm thinking 2 bedrooms, ensuite, bathrooms in both. And this could be the master with the bigger bathroom. I like it. And it has a little terrace. And it looks right on the grocery store. There's another bathroom. This is a very big bathroom. And it has this really great jacuzzi tub in here, which is really, this is really a nice bathroom. But yeah, it's nice. Yeah, and they have all these built-in armoires, which are quite nice. I would definitely leave those. It's very nice.
Ok.
All right. Oh, there's a downstairs part. This is huge, grande questo, wow.
Qui può essere un altro appartamento come una taverna.
Yeah, it's really big. I mean, this is really cool. Oh, wow. So you have like this big family room situation here. Yeah, this is cool. I like this. This is amazing. And then it's got a fireplace.
Però vengono amici a casa.
Yeah.
C'hanno il loro bagno, c'hanno la loro
Federico's got like
stanza.
a whole plan. if you're...
la nonna.
Oh, you could have your grandmother here. This is a grandma room.
Comodo, esatto.
Right. Is there a bagno qua?
Sì, c'è il bagno.
So this actually is a separate apartment. You could make it a separate apartment. Or you could make this your pool room. I mean, it could be, you know, big pool table. Yeah, Stephen likes that idea. It does have its own entrance, so it can be used for independent apartment. You could put your nonna here, certainly. I would not probably put my nonna here, but you know, yeah, you could just sequester her down here. Yeah, this is cool. This is a cool apartment. It's really big. I think it's very affordable. As I said, here's the deal. I would move in here and kind of get acclimated and figure out sort of what I want to do with the space because it's big. I would decide like what project I would want to do first. Like maybe you do the kitchen first and then you attack the bedrooms next. The only space I find odd is the living room upstairs, the way that it's sectioned off is weird. So let's go back up and look at that again because I have other thoughts. Oh, a garage. What? I love Italians. It's like, oh, and we have a garage. That's amazing.
Yes.
Why do you bury the lead? What is the matter with you people? I mean, everybody's looking for a garage. There's a garage, so definitely on my list. This is very cool. Perché americani piace molto un grande garage, yeah.
Sì.
Where is it? Can
Qui
we
non
see
abbiamo
it?
problemi
Or
con la
is it
macchina.
secret? Can we see it?
Laundry.
Oh, there's a laundry room in here. It's
Yeah.
so exciting.
Or a kitchen.
Or a kitchen. This is cool.
Sì,
I love this.
molto comodo.
See,
e molto...
for me, I would put like the, you know, if you have teenage kids, this can be their space. That's what I would do. Okay, garage. This is a really good ass shot, so, you know, make it look good.
Music play, wind is blowing. Light as a feather, bright as the morning. Music play, the fist begin.
Oh my God, this garage is amazing. So you drive down here, and then you turn in here, and here's the garage. Oh, this is great storage. Fabulous. No, it's great storage. It's wonderful.
È più di un garage, cantina,
Yeah, this
garage.
is a grande garage. So what you could do, obviously you could park your car in here, but you also have storage in the front because it's very deep. This is
Vino
a big
buono
selling
c'era.
point. This is cool. I like this a lot. This is a really cool apartment. There's a parking lot like across the street from here. So if you have guests, there's very easy parking, easy access. This weekend there's a festival here. If you have this apartment, you don't have to worry about parking. You're also not in town, but you're close enough to walk in. It's a really cool apartment. I like it a lot. This is no brainer. Write that below, no brainer. Great, very good. So yeah, so I think we're gonna thumbs up this apartment and we're gonna give it 6 thumbs ups. Come on.
6.
6. Thank you so much for showing us your parents' apartment. It's very cool. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It's super important that you do that. So the more the merrier. See you next time. Ciao.